gon' be the one to slam. Like nigga, bitch, nigga, blow.
And we have to be creative for what we're looking for. If we can't find nothing here, we can go to the real dollar store. But I feel like he got more shit like this thing, you know? I wouldn't want to use one of those. Well, we could use a... No, I don't want to do that. I got Jesus on it. I don't got no contacts in. I can't really see. I don't see any trays. Yeah, like I can't see. You see trays? Yeah, but that's kind of big. Everybody like this one. Yeah, this is kind of deep. Would you do that? This too big. Cause you only gonna be able to see the bottom. Huh? Yeah. That's not. Is this too big?
I don't think so. Oh, that's fine.
They probably have more. You probably just gotta look hard. I don't see nobody that works here.
Yeah, I was just fishing on it.
Hmm?
That's it.
Boo. So maybe we should go to a different dollar store. Excuse me. Do you have any more trays like this?
Oh, you know, he let something.
Do you have any more like this? Aquí? Mine?
Mine? Aquí? That way.
Okay. She's showing a little stuff somewhere here and a little. She probably talking about the same ones. Yeah, this is where I got it from. No, I'm saying she said yeah.
Like that.
You think this? Or the flat one?
Other big.
And print a picture on the shipping label paper, you know? So it'll stick straight to it. But I didn't. Yeah. I gotta look for what I'm gonna do. I don't like none of this stuff. You said wake Jada up? Why? Huh? I think it gotta be down this aisle. What you say? Yeah, that's cute. Okay, y'all, I gotta come back so I can look at my pictures and see what I'm finna do. We're trying to keep it low budget as possible because when you DIY, why go spend hella money and you don't know what you're doing? Let's see. Where? Oh yeah, but those are flat. Which ones you like better, that or the ones at the other store? Huh? Cause they flatter. I hate to go to Walmart. Maybe we just have to. Huh? You think so? Damn, I don't want to go up in Walmart. I look like a bum. Huh? I don't know where else. So we done came in Walmart. We going to the craft section. Craft section. Hopefully they got everything we need. One-stop shop. So I found some shipping labels. I was looking for like a bigger one, but I don't see any. So we're gonna get those, and they have, oh, they got circle ones. Okay, I'm just gonna get these. And I don't see nothing else up in here. You see something? Have you been looking? Ooh, we hit the jackpot. I still don't know what I'm gonna put on mine. I'm thinking like a blue vibe, but look at these, you guys. I think I'm just gonna see what all I can find, put it together, make something out of it. We're gonna make something out of nothing. These letters are kind of cute. Y'all see these? Y'all watch me work. Yeah. We finna get something together. I'm making this rolling chair today. Today. I'm just gonna put a picture put on mine. You can't be simple like that. I mean, we trying to be creative.
Really, at the other dollar store, or the other rolling
These are plastic too. I'm gonna get the bigger ones. You said they had what?
you still down and put the purple and shit.
They probably got more than just this over here. Have to look on a different row. Okay, so y'all, right now I got this. I mean, but you can still decorate it. Y'all, sometimes you be with friends like Kennedy. That's this girl named Jasmine.
She got an Instagram?
Yeah, hold on. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Had to give the info about my hair. Well, I think we should buy, I don't know. Well, I think it should be enough for just that, because I don't think I'm gonna end up using it. Yeah. You heard? You didn't listen to what I just said? Wow. Right. I said I think I have enough for just for you to use that. Okay, y'all. So I ended up getting these rhinestones. I don't know if y'all can see, but I got this applique thing that said girl power and some unicorns, and then the words, and then the pearls that y'all seen before. Y'all, who knows what the fuck I'm finna do with this? We're gonna figure it out. Okay, so we're working on this cardboard. What are you doing?
Oh, I was gonna show them the tray whenever you put up the tray. I was waiting on you.
Okay, y'all, so y'all seen these letters, and Kennedy, come on now. I'm trying to record for real. Come on. No. These letters and
Okay.
come on,
all right.
and those pearl things, and then what was also in here? I'm sorry if y'all can hear Tank in the background. Here go that glue. And the shipping labels, and then I also, y'all didn't get to see clearly, but I got these unicorns, this applique, and then these two. And then here goes the tray I got, and some letters and numbers. Hopefully all of this, y'all don't ask me what I'm doing. We just gonna figure it out. So I'll be back. This is what I have right now. This looks like this. And we got big key on the side, and then slow roll it on that side. And we're just gonna keep on going until I love how I look. Period. Kennedy got glitter on her. She waiting for pictures. So, y'all. I don't think it look bad. All right. Let's go finito. Thanks, mama.
Thank you.
Okay, y'all. So we finished, and I mean, I think for our first time trying, we did pretty good. So on mine, I just left space at the bottom to roll and then outline these. Now, I mean, you could still, like, let's say 2 people rolling at the same time. It'd be like you roll in this square, you know, you keep your weed right there. Keep my weed over here in these squares, you know? Then Kennedy put glitter on the outside of hers and then the inside collage.
I wish I had more pictures. Well, not more pictures, but I don't know, some better pictures. I should have used like individual pictures instead of like a whole collage.
No, what happened to it? I'm gonna cut them out.
Nah, I was gonna cut them out like this exactly. This is exactly what I was talking about doing, but it don't look right now. I'm looking at it. I mean, it look right. I mean, it don't look bad. I like it.
I like it too. I think we did pretty good to say.
But the next one, I'm gonna do. Oh my god.
Yeah, we should try again one day. But I think I think this is postable. I think these are pretty cute.
I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody.